Most people doing lead generation in 2026 are still using the strategies from 2022 and wondering why nobody is responding. So cold email going to spam, LinkedIn messages gets ignored, and ad costs through the roof, and the pipeline completely dry. Here is the truth: lead generation has not died; it's just evolved. And the people winning right now, they are doing 7 specific things differently. In this video, I'm breaking down all 7. No fluff, no theory, just what's actually working right now in 2026 to fill pipeline with qualified leads consistently. Stay until key 5 because that one alone changed how we think about outreach forever. So, hey guys, D here. Let's get into it. Before we dive in, quick context on why this matters right now. Buyers in 2026 are more informed, more skeptical, and more distracted than ever before. They are getting bombarded with outreach from every direction, like email, DMs, ads, calls, you name it. The whole playbook of spray and pray is completely dead. What works today is the blend of smart automation, genuine personalization, and showing up in a right place at the right time with the right messages. These 7 keys are built around exactly that. Whether you are in B2B, SaaS, consulting, agency, or professional service, this applies to you. So the 7 strategies we'll cover today is like hyper personalization at scale and LinkedIn done right, multi-channel sequences, AI-powered lead qualification, and content-led lead generation, community and referral system, and also data testing and iteration. Alright, key number 1. Stop sending generic messages and start personalization at scale. So here is a mistake most people make. They write one message, blast it to 500 people and call it outreach. In 2026, that gets you ignored or worse, flagged as spam. But the solution is not to manually write 500 individual messages either. That's not scalable. So the answer is hyper personalization at scale. Using AI tools to personalize your outreach based on the real signals. Things like a prospect's recent LinkedIn post, a company milestones or funding round, and a job change or promotion, and industry trend specific to their niche, and tools like sales robot, Clay, Smartlead let you pull in these signals automatically and weave them into your messages. So every outreach feels like it was written specifically for that person because in the sense it was. The formula is simple: specific observation plus relevant connection plus clear value is equal to a replay. For example, instead of "Hi name, I help companies like yours generate more leads," instead of that, try, "Hey Sarah, saw your post on challenges of scaling outreach for enterprise clients. We actually built a workflow specifically for that. Would love to share it." See the difference. One is generic noise and the another one is a real conversation starter. So the action step you have to do is before your next campaign, identify 3 personalization signals you can pull automatically for every lead on your list. Key number 2. LinkedIn is still the number one B2B channel. Use it right. So, LinkedIn outreach done correctly is still the single best B2B lead generation channel in 2026 with over million members and decision makers actively engaging every day. LinkedIn is the one platform where B2B buyers actually want to be found. But here is where most people go wrong. They treat it like a cold email inbox. They connect and immediately pitch, and that kills the relationship before it even starts. Here is what actually works in 2026. Step 1. Warm up before you connect. Like their post, comment with something genuine, and follow them. This puts you on their radar before you even send a message. Step 2. Send connection request with context, not a pitch. Like, "Hey name, love your recent post on the topic. We are both in the industry space, would love to connect." That's it, no pitch, just a reason to connect. Step 3 is build a relationship first, and after they accept, don't pitch immediately. Ask a relevant question, share something valuable, and create two-way communication. Step 4. Introduce your offer naturally, only once there is a context and rapport. Then you introduce what you do and see if there is a fit. And if you want to do this at scale, tools like Sales Robot, HeyReach, or Pros like automate their entire sequence with AI-powered messages, voice notes, and even personalized video. So you can run this process for hundreds of leads simultaneously without it feeling robotic. So the key insight is LinkedIn rewards relationship, the algorithm, the people, the platform, all of it sells a conversation, not a product. Key 3. Multi-channel sequences. So the one channel is gamble, multi-channel is a strategy. In 2026, the leads who convert rarely come from a single touch point. Research shows it take anywhere from 7 to 12 touches before the prospect takes action. So relying on only one cold email or only on LinkedIn means you're leaving a massive amount of leads on the table. The winning approach is coordinated multi-channel sequences. Here is what looks like in practice. Touch 1. LinkedIn connection request. Touch 2. LinkedIn follow-up messages on day 2. Touch 3 is cold email on day 4. Touch 4 is a LinkedIn voice note on day 7. Touch 5. Email follow-up with a resource or case study on day 10. That 6 is LinkedIn email or video messages at day 14. Each channel reinforces the others. When someone sees your name in the LinkedIn inbox and their email inbox, you started to feel familiar. Familiarity builds trust. Trust drives replies. So the key is the consistency of message across all channels. Same offer, same tone, same value proposition, just adapted to the format of each platform. Tools that makes this easy in 2026. Clay for data enrichment, Sales Report for LinkedIn plus email sequences, and Smart Lead are instantly for cold email at scale. So the pro tip is don't bombard people. Space your touches out thoughtfully and always make each message feels like it adds something new, a different angle, a piece of value, or specific question. Key number four, AI powered lead qualification. So stop chasing leads, start qualifying them automatically with AI. One of the biggest time killers in lead generation is spending hours chasing prospects who were never going to buy in the first place. In 2026, the smartest sales teams are using AI to qualify leads before the single human conversation happens. So here is how. Number one, intent signals. AI tools can now monitor signals like the prospect visiting your pricing page, downloading a resource, or engaging with your LinkedIn content, or even searching for solution like yours on online. These are all the buying signals and they tell you who to prioritize. For that, number one, lead scoring. Platforms like HubSpot, Salesforce, and Clay can automatically score leads based on the firmographics data like company size, industry, revenue, behavioral data like email opens, clicks, and replies, and engagement history. You set the criteria for your ideal customer profile, and the AI does the sorting. Next one, AI inbox management. Tools like Sales Robots AI Appointment Setter can actually read incoming replies, direct interest levels, and handle basic objections in your brand voice and route hot leads directly to your calendar without you lifting a finger. The result, your sales team only talks to the prospects who are already warmed up and qualified. Conversation rates goes up, the time spent goes down. The mindset shifts to be like your job in 2026 is not to talk to everyone. It's to let AI filter the noise so you only talk to the people who matters. This is the key 5, the one I told you stick around for. And I promise it's worth it. Content is now the most powerful lead generation tool you have, and most people are completely underusing it. Here is the idea, instead of chasing leads, what if leads come to you? That's what content led lead generation does. When you consistently publish content that solves real problems for your ideal customer on LinkedIn, YouTube, a newsletter, or a podcast, you attract inbound leads who already trust you before they ever reach out. Think about it, if someone watches 10 of your videos, reads your LinkedIn post every week, and finds value in what you have shared, by the time they reach out, the sale is already halfway done. Here is how to make content work for lead generation in 2026. Be specific, not broad. Don't create content for everyone. Create content for your exact ICP, ideal customer profile. The more specific, the more it resonates. And educate, don't just promote. Teach your audience something genuinely useful. Show them how to solve a problem. The trust you build is worth more than any ad spend. Create lead magnets from your content. Turn your best content into downloadable guides, checklists, templates, or mini courses. Get them with the email. Now you have a lead. Next, repurpose everything. One long form YouTube video becomes 5 LinkedIn posts, a newsletter edition, 3 short clips, and blog posts. Maximum reach, maximum extra work. The compound effect is real. Content you create today will generate leads 6 to 12, even 24 months from now. Cold outreach stops the moment you stop sending. Content keeps working forever. If you are not building a content engine alongside your outreach, you are working twice as hard for the half the results. Key number 6, community and referral system. Your best leads are already know someone who knows you. Build a system to reach them. In 2026, community-led growth and referral system are massively underrated lead generation channels. Here is why. A referred lead converts at 3 to 5 times than the rate of cold lead. They come in with trust already built. They close faster, pay more, and churn less. Why are most businesses treating referrals as an afterthought? Here is how to build proper referral and community system. Ask for a referrals deliberately. After delivering results for a client, ask specifically, do you know 2 or 3 people who would benefit from this? Most happy clients are glad to refer. They just never think to do it unless you ask. Create an incentive, whether it's a discount, a gift, or commission, or simply recognition. Give people a reason to refer you consistently. Build or participate in niche communities like Slack groups, LinkedIn communities, Discord servers, industry forums. Wherever your ideal customer hangs out, be there. Be genuinely helpful and the leads will follow naturally. Strategic partnership. Partner with complementary businesses who serve the same audiences. Co-create content, co-host events, or simply refer each other. It's a win-to-win that compounds over time. So the bottom line is people trust people. No algorithm, no AI, no automation beats a warm introduction from someone they already trust. Last but not least, key 7 data, testing, and iteration. The teams winning at lead generation in 2026 are now the ones who test relentlessly and let data make decisions. So, here is a brutal truth. Even a best strategy needs to be tested in the real world. What works for audience might completely flop for other. The only way to know is to measure everything and optimize constantly. So, here is what you should be tracking. Number 1, for outreach campaigns, you should track connection acceptance rate for LinkedIn and email open rate and reply rate. Positive reply rate, it's not just any reply, just positive intent, and meeting booked rate, lead to close rate, and for content, which post drives the most people visit or inbound DMs, which lead magnets converts best, and which video topics brings the most qualified subscribers. So the testing framework is looks like run A/B testing on your subject lines, your opening lines, your CTAs, your offer framings. Change one variable at a time. Let it run for at least 100 data points before drawing conclusion. Then double down on what works, cut what doesn't, ruthlessly. The teams that generate the most leads are not the one with the cleverest copy or the biggest budgets. They are the ones who test the most, learns the fastest, and adopt the quickest. In 2026, speed of learning is your biggest competitive advantage. Alright, let's bring it all together. Here are your 7 keys for lead generation in 2026. Number 1, hyper personalization. Use AI signals to make every message feels human. Number 2, LinkedIn done right. Warm up, connect, build rapport, then pitch. Number 3, multi-channel. Meet your prospects everywhere they are. Number 4, AI qualifications. Let robots filter so you can only close what matters. Number 5, content led. Create content that brings leads to you. Number 6, community and reference. Your networks is your net worth. And number 7, test and iterate. The fastest learner wins. So implement even 3 of the strategies consistently and then your pipeline will look completely different 90 days from now. So if you found this video valuable, please hit the like button. It genuinely helps the video reach more people who need it. Subscribe if you want more content like this on lead generation and LinkedIn outreach and B2B sales strategies. I post new videos every week and drop a comment below and tell me which of the 7 keys you are going to focus on first. I read every comment and I'd love to know. Thanks for watching. Now go and generate some leads and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.